if you want to see who is getting a makeover today, keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ashleigh here, and if you are new, welcome. And if you're not, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and you hit the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. So today, well, if you're watching it in the morning, this is today because it's clearly not outside. But anyways, I digress. But today we are going to be giving some frogs, because I got two, a big huge makeover. So I picked these frogs up from the Dollar Tree because you know, Dollar Tree always has those garden stakes and stuff, and they're just not my style. Like, they're green and they look kitty, and no. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try to give them a huge makeover. And also, this is coming from you guys because you guys want to see more outdoor home decor stuff, so I'm gonna try and bring you some videos with that in it. So anyways, like I was saying, we're gonna give these frogs a makeover. I like literally see all the garden stakes, but they're just so, I don't want to say cheesy, but they're just not my style, you know. So we're just gonna kind of tone them down a little bit and make them a little shabby chic, farmhouse, whatever. That's what they're gonna be. So they're super cute, super easy, budget friendly. Literally, you'll pay less than maybe I'll say $5 for two of them. And if you have all the materials, you're just gonna be paying $2. So hey, we're all in this together. So anyways, let me stop talking and let's get into the materials. So our materials are gonna be the Hello Weight, 2 of the frog garden stakes, some paint, burlap ribbon, lace ribbon, some scissors, a paintbrush, and twine. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is start to paint our frogs. And the color that I'm using is Antique Parchment, and it is the paint from Walmart, which was only 50 cents. All right, so this is how your frog should look after about 2 or 3 coats. I think I did 3 coats. So now we're going to start to construct his little pants. I call them pants. I tried to make them look like they were pants or something. But what you're going to do is you're going to just fold the 2 ends in the middle and then wrap it around the bottom of his body. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to take our lace ribbon and just tie it into a bow, just like you would if you were tying your shoe. I'll actually have this link below, but I just want to mention that you guys want to pick up the weather protectant like spray for these because they will be outside and you don't want them to get messed up by rain or anything like that. So you want to make sure that you can pick that up. You can get that from any of your local hardware stores or craft stores. All right, so now we're taking our second frog and I'm just going to add twine to the middle of her belly. All right, so now we're going to take our lace ribbon and we are just going to put it on top of the twine. Okay, so when you're putting the lace ribbon on there, make sure that it's halfway up onto the twine. All right, Alright, so now we're going to start to construct the bow that is going to go on top of our hello sign, and all we're going to do is just cut the burlap ribbon, which I got this burlap ribbon from Walmart for only $3.47, but you're going to just fold it in half and glue each side to the middle. All right, so after you've glued it to the middle, you're just gonna take your hand and pinch down straight into the middle, and then you will create your bow. And then of course, we're gonna take some twine and tie it together. Now you're gonna cut just a little piece of your lace, and then we are going to use that to be our body for our bow. So then you're going to take your hello sign, and so simple, you're just going to take your bow and hot glue it in between the E and the L, or wherever you want it to be. And we just want this to correlate with our frogs. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this DIY for today. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys!